4312 Kenmore update video. We're gonna be done next week with this. This one needs a lot of extra work, but we're getting it done. Let me get inside and show you what we did. I gotta go around back because they covered the floor. We got all the flooring in. We're gonna paint that front door red, no worries. That'll be the last thing we do. But we're gonna get the cabinets back here Monday. You can see here, this is all the trash. We're gonna get all this out of here, but all this is what we pulled from the house. And that's from the bathroom, the basement down there. So let's go inside and see what we got. So here we go. Here. So here's your flooring. You remember they were putting that in. It's all finished out, ready to go. We're putting cabinets in here, so this will be part of the kitchen. We're gonna tear I've decided to tear these shelves up. I don't like them. So we're gonna get those gone. And then we're gonna get the guy back to spray the backsplash here, so we have that for the cabinets. How we doing, Otis?
We're doing great. I'm about 1 week behind what I hoped it to be, but there was a lot of work.
Yeah,
but we're gonna get it
right.
done for sure next week.
And you got this painted. That's nice.
Yeah.
And then I won't go back there because I can't, but they're gonna get the bathroom and the kitchen are the two main things right now.
Yeah, that's what's left.
Dave, do you have anything to share?
No.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day to be alive.
Amen, brother. So, again, all this is all the flooring done. They sprayed it again. You see it's kind of wet, so I can't touch it. Smells like paint here too. It's good. And then he's gonna be putting flooring in here. Again, this was all epoxy. This is beautiful. In here, it really holds up too. It's a nice way not to have to tear stuff out. So let's go upstairs here. And you can see here he's got all the window. He's got we do the LED lights up here, flush mount, so it gives it more room with the ceiling to the floor. You see here they got all this in here. All the flooring in, he repainted it. Now he's just got the plugs and switches and all this. And all that, that's just done. Here's this, it's all painted. Again, all the flooring's in, it's all good. We do anything in the basement this week, or?
The basement was basically done.
Okay,
it's
so
just a little mess for me cleaning.
Yeah, so we'll go down there next week, but that's all taken care of. We'll get that done, but we're moving along on this one. Don't forget to paint the door red.
We picked up the paint today.
We got
What?
it today.
Oh, wow. Where's it at?
It was at Sherwin-Williams.
I mean, where's it now?
No, I mean, it's
Where's it at now?
Yeah.
In there, in that room.
You want to look at
Yeah,
it?
let's look at it.
Cherry red.
Cherry red. This
Where is it, Dave?
To the left,
To the left, to the left.
the gallon on the floor there.
right here.
No, on over to the left over.
There it is. Right there's the door paint.
All right. You
All
wanna
right.
open it up and look at it?
No, we're good.
All right.
Thanks. Again, I'm Brett Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Check out the websites below. Have a great day. Thank you.